Hello, my name is Fernando Alvarez, and I am a full professor in the area of electronics at the University of Extremadura in Spain. I'm also the head of the Sensory Systems Research Group of this university. Our group is focused on the application of information and communication technologies in different sectors, including agriculture, healthcare, and tourism. I would like to talk you about the benefits of ICTs in promoting the cultural heritage in general, and also about the directly related Limus Interactive project we are currently involved in. In the last years, we can find many examples that demonstrate the power of ICTs to bring cultural heritage closer to the general public. ICTs can generate attractive virtual content such as the three-dimensional reconstruction of ancient archaeological pieces or the use of augmented reality to enhance our perception of a real environment by adding computer-generated sensory information that can be visual, auditory, or even olfactory. ICTs also provide a very effective means for communicating big amounts of information thanks to the popularized use of smartphones. Today, more than 3,000 million people use a smartphone. That means that more than 3,000,000 people are carrying in their pockets a powerful computer full of sensors with wireless communication capabilities. We can use smartphones as a gateway through which people can receive rich information effortless and safely, since they don't have to interact with other people or machines to access this information. A good example of this application is the Limus European project, where we have been designing a smart guide for the visitors of different archaeological sites in the Spanish region of Extremadura and the Portuguese region of the Alentejo. The idea is actually very simple. Instead of having to rent an audio guide from where you can only obtain audio information after typing a numeric code, and whose shared use is currently strongly unrecommended, by the way, the visitors of these sites will download an app in their own smartphones to activate different communication channels. This is actually very similar to the use of QR codes that we have to scan with the camera of our phones to get some information from the internet. However, in our approach, we make this interaction seamless for the user, who has only to approach a certain exhibit to automatically get rich multimedia information in their phones. This enhanced experience is achieved by the use of three novel technologies: ultrasound, Bluetooth Low Energy, and visible light. We have explored the use of all these technologies because we had to face the different environments and requirements in practice. For example, ultrasound is an ideal technology when you want to distinguish between very close exhibits exposed in a clear indoor space, as it is the case in the Archaeological Museum in the city of Badajoz. But this is not the best option when these exhibits are outdoors, where wind can severely interfere in the detection of ultrasonic signals, as it is the case of the archaeological sites in Mértola, in Portugal. In this case, where the exhibits are separated by a few meters or even tens of meters, Bluetooth Low Energy provides a perfect solution that cannot be used if you need high spatial resolution. On the other hand, visible light is a very interesting option when you have LED lights in your museum and you don't want to use a new infrastructure for the smart guide. We are studying the use of this technology in the Archaeological Museum of Évora in Portugal, where we are binary encoding the light emitted by LED lamps. The good news about all this is the fact that the use of these technologies is completely transparent for the user. The only thing that the visitor has to do is downloading the app, which will automatically identify the environment and choose the appropriate technology to use. Well, I would really like to thank you for all your time, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact me by mail at fafranco@unex.es. Thank you.